Hi there, English learners. It's Jeff from Plain English, and I've got great news for you. We've unlocked a bunch of free samples so you can get a taste of the full Plain English experience. Here's what you can try out with these free sample lessons. You can try all the features and exercises in our famous lessons about current events, trending topics, and common English expressions. You can take a special workshop that shows you step by step how to express a complex idea in English. You can practice one of our weekly writing prompts called JR's Question of the Week. You can also request to try out expert answers and join a live conversation call. Now, because these are very personalized experiences, we only have limited spaces available, so make sure to request your space today. The instructions below this video show you how. Some of the features that you'll see in the free samples involve writing on plainenglish.com. Now, you do have to be a free member to try these sample features, and that's for security and privacy reasons. So if you're not yet a free member, look below this video for the link to join. If you like what you see in these free sample lessons, we'd love to have you join us in the Starter or Plus memberships. And if you do decide to join, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can have peace of mind. Now, scroll down to see the links to the free sample lessons.